Today I will show you how to cook a lemon cake. Yes, you heard me, cook. Starting with half a cup of melted butter, then 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. Cut a lemon into 2 and squeeze half of it. You should get about 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls depending on the size of the lemon. I got 3 tablespoonfuls out of this. I used 2 at first and then I decided to just use the rest. And also zest the back of the lemon, the skin, for extra lemony flavor. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'd really love that. Thank you. So now I am adding half a cup of sugar and mixing until it's all combined, and ready for the last step, which is the flour. So here I have 1 cup of flour in the cup, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And mix until it's all combined. And yes, the batter is ready to cook. In your pan, a frying pan, it has to be a bit of a heavy duty because you don't want your cake to burn quickly if it's a very light and thin bottom pan. So oil a thick heavy duty pan and place it on the cooker. Pour your batter in and cook at about the lowest settings, depending on how quickly it heats up. Yeah, mine eats up really quickly, so I left it at 2, and that is the lowest, the last to the lowest setting actually. So yeah, and I cooked for about 10 to 12 minutes. Actually, I think I did cook for about 13 minutes approximately, and it was all done. I would advise that when you're done cooking and you feel it's stuck, your cake is stuck to the pan, quickly place it on a tray of cold water to help it unstick, if that makes any sense. This method will actually make your cake come out easily without having to break or stick to the pan. For a final touch, add lemon glaze and spread it all around the cake. This is cooked to perfection. It's so beautiful. Look at the golden bottom and the fluffy and the it's a beauty to behold. And I tell you, it's super yum. I particularly love how soft and fluffy it is on the inside. You should try this. You really should try this. So give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and remember to subscribe down below. You'll see a subscribe icon at the bottom right corner. Please tap on that if you want to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a lovely day.